You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, this phrase, the name of this commune or town in France. Château, you probably knew that, or château in English. French pronunciation Château-Thierry, Thierry, Château-Thierry. French pronunciation Château-Thierry. In English you can say it as Château-Thierry. There's a famous battle in World War I, the Battle of Château-Thierry. Château-Thierry. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.